Hey, what is up, guys and girls? My name is Prashu and welcome back to my channel, the home of everything art and tech related. And today we have something real special here. As you can probably already tell from the title of the video, I have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, obviously 5G enabled. So as you can probably already tell, this one is in Phantom Violet, which I personally think is one of the cooler colorways that this year's lineup of phones came in. And yeah, it's the 256GB model with 8GB of RAM. So yeah, this is not the Ultra by any means, which has I think about 12 gigs of RAM. But honestly, I highly recommend, if you're just an average user, stay away from that phone. It's not really worth paying the extra money. I mean, I don't even have to open this phone to tell you that. It's just kind of a fact, really, that if you're not going to be, doing crazy photography, shooting 8K video, whatever it is, you don't really need the Ultra version of this phone. You don't even need to do a review on this phone to figure that out. Alright, but let's get into the phone itself. So in this video, we're essentially going to be doing an unboxing, and I will be giving my first impressions of the phone. And yeah, hopefully I can use this for a week or two and give my review on it. Let's get into the video, guys. Alright, so using my knife here, we'll cut up the plastic that's pretty much protecting the box. Boy, that did nothing. Okay, there we go. So let's get rid of the plastic wrap covering the box. And yeah, it's I guess it's an okay box, but so yeah, before we get into the actual unboxing of the phone, I just want to make one thing clear. As you can probably already tell from the size of this box, which is kind of honestly underwhelming and pretty pathetic, if anything, but yeah, there is no more charging brick with the Samsung Galaxy lineup, or I would say the Note lineup, any Samsung phones for that matter. None of them contain the fast charging brick anymore. So yeah, you have to purchase that separately. And it's so funny because I will actually put up I think it was a tweet that Samsung made, which was kind of a diss at Apple for not including the charging brick in last year's iPhone models. And I found that tweet actually aged horribly because, as you can see, say what you will about Apple, but it seems that every other smartphone manufacturer are like sheep, and they pretty much will follow whatever Apple does at this point. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you, Samsung, for not sticking to your guns and, not sticking to your word, I would say, and just deciding to kind of yank the charging brick out of the box. Say what you will about Apple, but it seems every other smartphone manufacturer, no matter how many times they make fun of Apple, they all end up following Apple like sheep anyway. So that's a bit of depressing news, but yeah, there you have it. Now let's get into the unboxing and have a look at this device and see if it makes up for the lack of the charger. And there you have it, ladies and gents, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Oh boy, this looks real nice. So let's take this off. And the one good thing I like that Samsung does with all of their phones is that you actually get, if I'm correct, a screen protector that's already pre-applied for you, so you don't have to actually, go and pay 20 bucks to get a screen protector and get it applied as well. So that's the one good thing that I'm going to give props to Samsung for. And yeah, as we kind of open up the back, and there's even, I just realized that there's even plastic on the camera lens, which I've never actually seen before. Yeah, so I find it crazy that they've even put some more plastic on the camera module, because, when I unboxed the iPhone 12, Apple, who's kind of notorious for having this kind of perfect clean packaging, and they're a little bit OCD about their packaging, and even they didn't cover the camera module, so that's kind of interesting. But yeah, this is the Phantom Violet, which I think sounds pretty cool on paper, and it honestly looks really nice in person. And I would say, honestly, it's actually, I love this kind of rose gold bezel kind of matched with the, Phantom Violet backplate, because it actually looks really nice in the light. And it is quite cool, actually, I'm not gonna lie. And I gotta say, I am a fan of this, the way they've actually executed the camera module, how it kind of bleeds into this area and it just all kind of molds in together. It looks like the camera module is sort of wrapped around the actual main body, which is, it's kind of nice. So yeah, props to Samsung on the design of this phone, because it actually is really nice. There's a Samsung logo with a bit of writing, which I think might be the model number, not too sure. But yeah, it's quite nice. Alright, so setting aside the phone, let's get on to the contents of the box, which probably won't be that much, to be honest, but oh wow, you got quite a box here, surprisingly. But yeah, you got your SIM ejector tray tool, and let's open up the packaging and see what you get inside. So no headphones, no headphone jack, nothing like that, just a quick start guide and charging cable, I presume. And that's pretty much it. There is literally nothing else in here, just your cable, your quick start guide, some ejector tray tool, and nothing. This is just literally an empty box of nothing, which is kind of funny, but yeah, there you pretty much have it. This has been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And I gotta say, the phone's real nice, and I think one of the elephants in the room that we gotta address here is, other than the charging brick, is the fact that as nice as this all looks, it's important to note that this is actually not glass. This is just a sort of plasticky material that Samsung has decided to kind of adopt. And while I would say that it is kind of better at not attracting as many fingerprints, it does kind of feel, I was going to say, slightly less premium, but just holding it, it honestly doesn't feel that much different. I mean, I always thought that, phones were the most premium feeling when they were, when you had the older kind of iPhone 6 designs where it was that all aluminum kind of unibody design. And I thought, at that stage, that was as premium as a phone was going to feel, just a slab of aluminium, which would always, it would always feel good. I mean, just look at the MacBooks, for example, and, the Surface Books. So, when all the smartphone manufacturers decided to adopt the kind of the glass sandwich design, I was okay with it. But yeah, the plastic feels all right. I'd say it's not, that noticeable, and you normally have a case on anyway. So yeah, let's boot it up and see how it looks. And you got the welcome sign here, and there you have it, folks. This has been the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus unboxing. My name is Prashil, and thank you so much for watching, guys and girls. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.